Welcome to Moo Math and Science. In this video, let's go over how to calculate a tip without a calculator. So we're going to kind of estimate. Okay, remember a tip does not have to be exact. It's whatever you would like to leave. So the first thing I recommend doing, if you're just going to do it without a calculator, is let's just round this to $17. Okay? So that's a nice round number. Now, for a 10% tip, all we have to do is we have 17 is move the decimal one place to the left, and so that's going to equal $1.70. So your tip's going to be $1.70. Now, for a 20% tip, all we're going to do is double that. So we're just going to add 170 to it, or you can multiply it by 2. That's 0, that's 4, carry the 1. That's $3.40. So that's 20%. Well, how about 15%? Well, it's fairly straightforward, but a little bit more involved. So what you're going to do is you're going to divide the $1.70 of 10%. That's a 70, by the way. $1.70, and we're going to divide it by 2. When you divide 170 by 2, that gives you 85 cents. And then we're going to add that to $1.70. So that goes 5, and then 8 plus 7 is also, it's 15, carry the 1, so it's $2.55. So there is your 15% tip. Okay, so our 10% tip is $1.70. Our 20% tip is $3.40, and our 15% is $2.55. Now let's take a look at a food delivery, and they can get a little bit more expensive. It's $65.79. Let's first round that to $66. For our 10% tip, we're just going to move the decimal one place to the left. So that gives us $6.60 because the decimal was here and I just moved it to there. Now for our 20% tip, this is 10%. For our 20%, we're just going to double $6.60. So let's just add this. So that gives us 0, 12, carry the 1, 12, $13.20. Now for our 15%, we're going to take half of $6.60. We're going to divide that by 2, and that gives us $3.30. So that's 5%. And then we're going to add it to the 10%, which is $6.60. And that gives us $9.90. So our 15% is $9.90, our 20% is $13.20, and our 10% is $6.60. I hope that was helpful.